Namaste Jivin. I Jivin Shobha Kumari, Assistant Professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Today I deliver a lecture on this topic, package of practice of playground. POP of playground. What is POP? POP means package of practices. Just introduction about the playground. Playground is one of the important pulse crop grown throughout the country. The crop is resistant to adverse climatic condition and improve the soil fertility by fixing atmospheric nitrogen in the soil. It has been reported that the crop produces equivalent to the 22.10 kg of nitrogen per hectare, which has been estimated to supplement of 59,000 tons of urea usually. The pulse playground play as an important role in the Indian diet as it contains vegetable protein and supplement to cereal-based diet. Legume is the one important pulse crop grown throughout the country. The crop is resistant to adverse climatic conditions and improve the soil fertility by fixing atmospheric nitrogen. And the playground play is an important role in the Indian diet as it contains vegetable protein and supplement to cereal-based diet. It contains 26%. It contains 26% protein, which is almost 3 times that of cereals and other minerals and vitamins. Besides, it is also used as a nutritive fodder, especially for milk animal. What is milk animal? मिल्क एनिमल ऐसे पशु जो दूध देते हैं, मिल्किंग एनिमल्स. Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Andhra Pradesh are major playground growing state area-wise. The highest yield was recorded by the state of Bihar, followed by Sikkim and Jharkhand. The national yield average is 585 kg per hectare. The lowest yield was recorded in the state of Chhattisgarh, followed by Odisha and Jammu and Kashmir. Climatic and soil requirement. Climate, it is grown as a rain-fed crop in the warm plains as well as in the cool hills up to an altitude of 2000 meters. The cooking quality of playground produced in hills or in the most climatic is claimed to be better soil. Playground can be grown on a variety of soils ranging from the sandy soils to heavy cotton soils. The most ideal soil is well-drained loam with the pH 6.5 to 7.8. Playground cannot be grown on alkaline and saline soil. Land is prepared like any other Kharif season's pulse crop. However, during summer, it requires throughout preparation to give a pulverized free from stubbles and weeds completely. Nutritive value of playground: protein 24%, fat 1.4%, mineral 3.2%, fiber 0.9%, carbohydrate 59.6%, calcium 154 milligrams per 100 grams milligram, phosphorus 385 milligram per 100 gram, iron 9.1 milligram per 100 grams. Calorific value of playground 347 kilocalorie per 100 gram, moisture 10.9%. Seed rate and seed treatment of playground. How to seed treat with another fungicide, insecticide, biofertilizer. Seed rate. The optimum sowing time in mid-June. The seed rate. The optimum sowing time mid-June subject to availability of moisture, rainfall. Seed rate is 15 to 20 kg per hectare for Kharif and 25 to 30 kg per hectare for spring. Spring means Rabi season. Row to row distance is 30 to 35 centimeter for Kharif season and 25 centimeter for Rabi season. Rabi season also known as spring season. How to seed treat? Rhizobium 200 grams, PSB 250 grams per 10 kg of seeds. PSB means Phosphorus solubilizing bacteria. 10 kg or seeds of black gram treated with the rhizobium PSP. Rhizobium quantity 200 grams or PSP quantity 250 grams. Seed treatment with the carbendazim 1 gram plus thiram 1.5 gram per kg of seed. 1 kg black gram treat with the carbendazim or thiram. Carbendazim quantity 1 gram or thiram quantity 1.5 gram. Green gram, black gram under intensive cropping should be treated with the carbofluran at the rate 0.2% 1 week before rhizobium treatment against root knot and reniform nematode. Fertilizer dose 20-40-20 ratio NPK. And N means nitrogen, P means phosphorus, K means potassium. And 20 kg per hectare, phosphorus 40 kg per hectare or potassium 20 kg per hectare along with 20 kg sulfur per hectare greatly increase yield of pulse and also benefit the succeeding crops. Among the micronutrient, zinc is the most efficient nutrient. So the application of zinc at the rate 25 kg per hectare as a basal gives very promising result. Boron and molybdenum gives better result in acidic soil. Foliar spray of 2% DAP. DAP means diammonium phosphate and 2% KCl. KCl means potassium chloride at pre-flowering stage. Enhance the yield. Variety. Use of resistance variety is recommended as follow. The powdery mildew resistance variety LBG 70 is suitable for Rabi in southern zone, and variety PDU1 and Mesh 414 are the suitable for spring season. Yellow mosaic virus resistance variety Pant U19, Pant U30, Sarala, Jawahar Urad 2, Teja LBG20, Additive 4. Powdery mildew resistance variety TAU2, IPU02-43, stem fly resistance variety KBG 5.2, Sarcospora leaf spot resistance variety Jawahar Urad 2, Jawahar Urad 3. Intercultural operation. Intercultural operation in black gram carried out control of weeds within the 2 or 3 weeks, and not only prevent drawn of nutrients from the soil by weeds but also conserve moisture and help it quick growth and development of crop. Line sowing will facilitate hoeing and weeding operation between the lines. Weeding and hoeing is to be done between 25 to 30 days after sowing, and if the weeds are still present in the field, second weeding should be done at 45 days after sowing. Chemical herbicide like pendimethalin and metachlor at the rate 1 to 1.5 kg per hectare are found very effective as a post-emergence. Irrigation. The major diseases are irrigation. The pulse crop in Rabi and pre-Rabi season are mostly grown on the residual soil moisture condition. However, irrigation should be provided at a critical growth stage. Which stage is critical? That is flowering stage and pole development stage. These stages are the critical. Flowering and pole development stage. Being a kharif crop, black gram is not required irrigation unless there is dry spell during the kharif season. Irrigation should be given according to soil type. Irrigation interval should be 8 to 10 days in summer. Flowering and pod filling are the critical stage for the irrigation. Soil. Which type of soil is favorable for black gram cultivation? Black gram can be grown on a variety of soil ranging from sandy soil to heavy cotton soil. The most ideal soil is well-drained loam with pH 6.5 to 7.8. Black gram cannot be grown on alkaline saline soil. Land is prepared like any other kharif season pulse crop. However, during summer it requires thorough preparation to give pulverized free from stubble and weeding completely. I told about the fertilizer application in previous slides. How to land preparation for the cultivation of playground. The land is to be plowed 2 and 3 times followed by leveling for the kharif croplands. Need to be leveled properly and care should be taken to provide adequate drainage. Water stagnation in the field affect the crop adversely. Plant protection. The major diseases are yellow mosaic in the northern plains and the powdery mildew in the southern and southeastern region in Rabi season. The control insect and pest, yellow mosaic virus, application of folate in the soil before or at sowing at the rate 1 kg per hectare is required. Pod borer spray trizophos and monocrotophos at the rate 2 ml per liter of the water, carbaryl at the rate 2 kg per hectare. How to aphid control? Spray methyl dimetone 25 EC at the rate 1000 ml per hectare. Whitefly, spray the crop with the imidacloprid at the rate 1 ml per 3.5 liters of water and flunicamide 200 grams per hectare. Farmers say there is a drop in a black gram yield. Tamil Nadu, there is a fall in yield in black gram owing to scanty rainfall, says farmer. In irrigated field in Velakudi and Kambor and Niramangalam, the crop has been raised, but there is a depletion in the groundwater table because of the failure of monsoon. A farmer Velakudi told that he had incurred an expenditure of Rs 12,000 an acre in the 3 acres he raised and the additive 5 variety. He could realize only 150 kg against the normal yield of 4,000 kg per acre. The farmer pleased for the adequate compensation from the state government. How to harvesting and threshing of black gram. Udder should be harvested when the 70 to 80% pod matured and most of the pod turned black. This time is suitable for the harvesting. Our maturity may result in shattering. Harvested crop should be dried on the threshing floor for a few days and then threshed. Threshing can be done either manually and by trampling under the feet of bullocks. The clean seeds should be sun-dried for 3 to 4 days to bring their moisture content 8 to 10% to safely store in the appropriate bins. A well-managed crop of wood may produce 12 to 15 quintal grains per hectare. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, any query about this lesson, please write in comment box.